finally, nakapark din kami dito. Sorry. Ay, ikaw pala yung kasabi ko. Ano yun, Kaz? Ganito ba yung routine niyo ni Mia? When
This
you're...
is our routine.
When
A is not around, we go to malls.
Yeah, that's the routine. They're strolling at the mall. Ayan. Ngayon, let's see.
And
Ayan
the
na.
hardest part is putting Mia in the pram.
Why? Bakit? Why?
She doesn't like it.
She doesn't like it. Ay, Mia!
Just wants to be carried all the
Ay,
time.
all the time.
Because
Kasi-
that's what her dad does.
Nako, nasanay. Mia, look at the camera. Oh, ayan, oh.
Look at the camera and sit.
Wait lang.
Look at the camera and sit. No, Daddy's not here. Look,
Look at Daddy. Daddy can watch this. Ayaw niyo talaga, no? Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, Tita, can you hold her first?
Sige. Stay there for now, ha? Kasi tita is ano. Ayan, no? Mia is here. Come, baby girl. Baby girl, wait lang. Wait lang. Ayan. Okay, sige, karga na nga. Karga. Ayan, sige na. Ayan, tita will may karga on you. With my Valentino heels. Good luck ito. Ha? Look at that. That's Mia girl. Mia darling. Show. Ayan. Bye-bye. Oy, nag-hi siya, everybody. Ayan. Hi, everybody. Say hi, everyone. Hello. Flying kiss. Flying kiss to Mamu. Kay Tita Purita. To ano. Go to ano. Ay, ayaw niya. Bakit? Ala?
Kasi alam niya.
Ako na
May
magbibit.
video kasi, no?
Video na. Ako na yan.
Ayaw ni Mami mag-wild.
Ganito daw sila ngayon. Nag-wild yan siya, girl.
Pag i-force sa pram.
Pag i-force na siya sa prank, she's gonna, tantrums, go Gaga. Like Lady Gaga. So we're inside the mall now. Sige, see you later.
It says Charleston, the fashion capital.
We're here now, the Cadston Fashion Capital of Melbourne. I'm here. Ayan. Chadstone Capital. Ayan. Diba? Nandito na kami. Yun lang. Ayan na. Finally, ayaw niya.
Come on, please.
Sige na. No? Ayaw niya magpaano sa prom.
I'll put her.
Di ba prom queen ka?
Are you watching?
Oh, you watch. You watch now. Team na kami. We were convincing Mia. Ayan. Mia. Ganda dito. Ayan. Pak. Dito na kami siya. Chadstone Fashion Capital of Melbourne. Ayan, they have Uniqlo as well pala. Ayun, oh. Uniqlo. Very more cheaper in Japan compared here. Oo nga, syempre. Kasi Japan yun. Ayun na.
Sit na, please.
Hala, ayaw.
Sit na, please.
Ayaw mo talaga. Ayun, oh. They're struggling now.
Mia?
I'm struggling now. Mia, come on, let's sit down. Sa prom. Prom.
Don't like.
You don't like? Why you don't like? Ayan na, oh. You're watching na your favorite video. Ayan. Happy birthday to you. She's watching her favorite video.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mia.
Birthday na ni Mia. Charot lang. Kunyari birthday niya all the time. Ayan na, inaano na ni Mami.
Happy birthday.
Ilang pala.
How old are you?
Yay! You like it? Mia? Okay, let's go. Finally, mission accomplished. See you guys. Bye-bye.